Changing channels on Xfinity Stream using Samsung and LG Smart TVs is straightforward with multiple navigation methods available. Let's explore the 4 main ways to navigate channels on your smart TV. The traditional channel guide is accessible through the Xfinity Stream app's main menu. It displays a grid-style layout showing current and upcoming programming with channel numbers that correspond to your traditional cable lineup. Voice control is integrated with Samsung's Bixby Assistant and LG's ThinQ AI or Google Assistant. Simply say commands like change to ESPN or go to channel 101 to navigate channels hands-free. Both Samsung and LG remotes offer intuitive navigation. Samsung smart remotes use directional pads and number keys, while LG Magic remotes feature point-and-click functionality with motion control for easy channel browsing. The Xfinity Stream mobile app can serve as a remote control, allowing you to change channels on your TV directly from your smartphone. This provides seamless switching between mobile viewing and your TV display. For optimal performance, ensure your smart TV firmware and Xfinity Stream app are updated to version 6.0 or higher. You'll also need a stable internet connection and a valid Xfinity subscription with streaming privileges. For smooth channel changes on Xfinity Stream, your internet connection is crucial. You need at least 25 megabits per second for 4K content streaming. For the most reliable channel switching experience, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. This provides consistent bandwidth and reduces latency. Optimize your TV settings for better performance. Enable game mode or PC mode to reduce input lag during navigation. This makes channel switching more responsive. Regular app maintenance is essential. Restart the Xfinity Stream app weekly to clear the cache and maintain optimal performance. This prevents slowdowns and glitches. When experiencing slow channel changes, first check your internet speed and restart your router if necessary. This resolves most connectivity-related issues. If channels are missing from your lineup, verify your subscription package and refresh the channel lineup in the app settings. This ensures you have access to all your subscribed channels. For audio and video sync issues, adjust your TV's audio delay settings or restart the streaming app. These settings help synchronize sound with the picture for a better viewing experience. Following these optimization tips and troubleshooting steps will ensure smooth channel changes and an optimal Xfinity Stream experience on your Samsung or LG Smart TV.